But the reality is I communicate to folks, and when somebody like this person extends kindness my way, says that she has my back and that the West Coast loves you, I think was her tweet to me, and by that I mean me, I respond in kind. And that's really what this is. It's just me responding to people, which I do every single day. And frankly, finally, I just have to say, it is all about just that. It's about listening to people and engaging with people, no matter what their profession. The only profession that I avoid is actually on Twitter. I avoid journalists, especially. Look, I think it's really because the press corps is obsessed with vegan living, and with that, my sympathies and my apologies. But the reality is, guys, this is not, anybody who's followed me for enough years sees that I literally talk to everybody. It's the way we should be in public life, and actually casting judgment on folks because of what they do is unacceptable to me. And I'm going to continue being me. This doesn't change that at all, and continue to talking to everybody. It's what I do in Newark. When I walk down the street, I don't care whose hand I shake. I don't care if they are unemployed or employed, and I don't even care sometimes if they're a journalist.